Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you all how to make this delicious corn dog. So let's get started. Into a boiling water, I'm going to be adding my sausage. I'm using 8 sausages. You can as well use more or less depending on the quantity that you want. So I'm going to cook this for 2 minutes, then I will take it out and allow it to cool down. So I left the sausages for like 10 minutes to cool down. Then I brought out my sticks. I'm going to be piercing the sticks inside just the way I'm doing in this video. Okay, so guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. So please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate you. Please keep watching, keep liking, and keep commenting. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you all. Okay, so now that I'm done piercing the stick into the sausage, I'm going to set this aside. Then I brought out my bowl. So I'm going to add in some flour and some corn flour. Then I'm going to sieve. Then after I'm done sieving the flour, I'm going to add in some powder milk and baking powder. I went in with a pinch of salt and some sugar. Then I added nutmeg, and I'm going to be adding chili powder. So I'm going to mix everything together. Okay, so guys, all ingredients and measurements will be written in the description box. You can as well check it out. So I'm going to mix everything to combine. Then I'm going to be adding 1 egg. Then I will add water. I'm going to be adding the water gradually because I don't want my batter to be too watery. And guys, do you know why I'm using water? Because I used powder milk. But if you are making use of liquid milk, that will be better. So you just start adding your milk gradually. Okay, so you can also use powder milk or liquid milk, but liquid milk will be better. I don't have liquid milk, that's why I'm making use of powder milk. So I'm just going to mix everything together until I get that desired consistency that I want. So this is what we are going to be working with. I'm just going to use my spatula to scrape out the edge of my bowl. Then I'm going to set this aside. So we are going to be preheating our oil. So into my pan I added some vegetable oil. We are going to allow that to hot, not too hot, just medium, in an average mood. Okay, so I scoop out my batter from my bowl. Then I transfer it into a cup. You can use a glass cup. So this is what I have, so I'm going to just manage the cup like that. So now let's get started with the sausage buns. So I brought out the sausages. I'm going to rub it into a flour, then dip it into my batter just like this. So once I'm done with that, I will start to fry. So I'm going to fry this until it is golden brown, just like this. So once it's golden brown, we are going to take it off the oil. Then we are going to transfer it in a paper towel. So guys, will you be trying this out? So you can eat this with ketchup or mayonnaise. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not, and also drop me a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.